here's something I always think about. You know, you hear French drain man say that his systems, you know, there's never any pooling water on the ground. Maybe so. I don't know. I'm not judging the guy. But, I mean, when it rains really hard, it's hard to make a system that's going to keep up with it. Unless you have, you know, 12-inch culvert pipe or something. You are going to get pooling water. You are going to overwhelm your system. But here's the thing. When it stops raining, and it eventually will, this system, this yard is going to dry out quickly because that pump under there, even though it's overwhelmed, it is pumping 70, 80 gallons per minute. It's pumping it out of here. So I always think this. What if I didn't have this system? All this water, number one, all this water right here, and the thousands of gallons, I mean literally, there have been thousands of gallons pumped out as this rainfall has started, thousands of gallons, it would all be sitting in my yard. If I didn't have gutters, if I just let it run into the yard, that would all be here. It would all look like this. But I've got it all running through here, and it is going to get pumped out very, very quickly. As quickly as possible. And yeah, it's going to take, it gets a little backed up. There's a queue. But think about this. When you, let's say you fill up your tub with water, you take a bath. When you unplug it and start to drain the water, is it all gone immediately? No. It takes a couple minutes. It's the same thing here. This is going to take a couple minutes, but in a short period of time after this rainfall, this basin will empty out. All that water will be gone. It will not be sitting in my ground saturating it. And whatever this puddling that I've got here, a little bit, yeah, I've got a little bit, but it's all going to perk into the ground, into my easy flow, into this basin that's going to be out of it. And I just don't understand why, you know, French drain man is going to claim that, you know, his chambered system is going to pump it out of here faster or better. I don't think so. I don't think that's true. Now, maybe if you put a duplex in with two pumps, two Liberties pumping in a chamber, maybe it would keep up with this. But look, guys, I mean, it's overflowing. It's overwhelmed. I mean, I think just about any system would get overwhelmed temporarily. And then, when the rain stops, it will catch up. But let's just say, for instance, I had one of his chambered systems. You're telling me that wouldn't be overwhelmed right now? With a half-horse Liberty that he preaches? I'm sorry, I just don't see it happening. It's a better pump than the one I've got in here because this is a cheaper Zoller. This is not even an M98. Okay? But it is a half horsepower, so it's pumping 70 gallons per minute. So let's say the Liberty pumps, it's not going to pump more than 100, maybe 80, 90. That's not enough to keep up with this. We're talking about thousands of gallons of water here, so